Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm doing kind of a post-mortem on the last Pack With Me video that I did, so it's kind of an Unpack With Me. This was the personal item bag that I brought with, so it fit underneath the seat in front of me and was a free item. I did not pay for checking any bags or carrying on any bags. The last trip we took, it was a 5-day trip to Southern California. We were moving between hotels every single night. 5 days, different hotels. Every night. So I kind of did some special things for that, and so I'll show you how all that worked out. Okay, so in the front of the bag I just had my paperback book. Just have our car rental stuff and some tissues. So that worked out great. It was a great place to put stuff that I wanted handy. Then in the main compartment, I have a couple eye masks, and there was, I think, just one hotel where the blinds didn't shut very well and didn't block out the light very well, so I used it for that. So I'm glad I brought that. And I'm also, before I shut that, I'm really glad that I brought this binder clip. Because I use that to hold the curtains shut in most of the hotel rooms. Sometimes they just didn't want to shut all the way, so that was great for privacy and keeping out light. So this is the electronics bag that ended up moving over to my bag on the way back. It was in my husband's bag on the way there, so that's pretty much it. Same thing in there, so that worked out well. So this is a little friend that we won at the Santa Monica Pier arcade, so he came back in my luggage with me. This is just some earbuds. I have my makeup case, so this was all of my makeup that was not liquid items. The only thing I've taken out of here is my toothbrush, because I needed to brush my teeth once we got back. Okay, I have my vitamin container. It looks like I didn't take my vitamins twice on those days, but that worked out awesome. It was just amazing to have this organized in such a great manner. And then here's my liquids bag. So everything in here worked out really well. A couple new things that I tried are these little 1-ounce plastic containers. I reviewed these in a different video, but they worked out really, really well. So this was the one I used for toothpaste, and I also used another one here for like some hair, like leave-in conditioner stuff, and that worked out really well too. So I'm super happy with these bottles. They're just super small, like compared to the GoToobs or the GoToobs. They're just so much smaller. So that's why I like these. And I mean, you can see that I hardly used anything out of these. And this was toothpaste here for 2 people. I think there you can see, like, there's not much gone. So, and that was for 5 days. So this would definitely work for probably 2 weeks before it would run out for 2 people using it. So next thing, these are just pajamas. This was a little bag. Just a little makeup bag that I got. I put all of my clean underwear and socks in this bag just to have them like separated in case I wanted to open my bag and get anything out for the flight. And that worked really well. And it's empty now because as we were traveling, I put anything that I wasn't going to wear again into this laundry bag. So this is basically full of socks, underwear. I think I also have, yeah, my swimsuit in here, and my like hair turban thing. But that's pretty much it. So any shirts or anything that I possibly would have worn again, I did not put in here. Alright, so if you see, I still have everything kind of folded in the Konmari method and lined up here. So as I went, I would take out Just for example, these jeans. As I went through, I wore these jeans. I fold them back up at night when I took them off, and I'd slide them back into here on this side. That way I knew like stuff on this side was clean, haven't been worn yet, and stuff on this side I had worn already. So that worked out really, really well. There's a couple things. I think these 3 items I did not wear. So I have 2 shirts and a pair of shorts. It wasn't quite warm enough for shorts for me. And then here I just have like my workout clothes. I did wear these, so I didn't get really sweaty in them or anything, so I thought maybe I would wear them again, so I just kind of rolled them up inside of each other. So like all of my workout clothes are in this nice little bundle, and they were just on this side. Okay, under that, I just have my flip-flops shoved underneath, and then I have this like thing that was containing all of my protein powder mixes and some Pedialyte packets. I used all of the protein powder mixes, so this was much smaller on the way back. It was quite full before, and now it's pretty much empty. And I just had this little pill pack, and I don't think I even used any of that stuff, but I was glad that it was with me. And I almost forgot a couple other things that we brought with. One was this like collapsible, foldable backpack. So I'll just kind of show you how it works. But right now it's collapsed. It's pretty small. It's the size of my hand. So basically it's a normal sized backpack once you unfold it. It has some nice straps. They're not very padded, so it's not like the most comfortable backpack to wear if it's very heavy. But it does have side mesh like water bottle holder things where you could put other stuff in there, obviously. A nice front pocket. It has a nice front pocket. Inside it just has this small pocket, and that's what it uses to fold into itself with. But other than that, it's just basic large bag. So the reason that this was really nice is because both me and my husband had bags like this one, and they're pretty small bags. They were both packed very full. When we went there, we were wearing sneakers, and we both packed our flip-flops. And we were wearing like a jacket, sweatshirt. So when we got there, we took our shoes, our sneakers, put them in here, put our jacket in here, sweatshirt in here, and then we could just wear our flip-flops around. Because like all that stuff wouldn't have fit in our bags. So we didn't really have anywhere to put it. So that's why we had an extra bag to put that stuff. And then when we went on any day trips or anything where we wanted to carry some stuff with, we would use this bag, put some stuff in it, and it was super easy. So that was really, really nice to have with. The next item that is the first time I've used it on a trip is this bottle holder that attaches to the trolley handle of the luggage. So it holds 2 bottles, as you can see, and in the back it has a little slip pocket. So that was kind of a cool place to put my cell phone or my sunglasses, just anything that I wanted to put in there and get out of my hands while I was wheeling the luggage around through the airport or 2 different hotels. So I loved this thing. It was amazing to have, just so we didn't have to carry our water bottles everywhere. Super easy. Just has Velcro. So just Velcro's right on there. So when I put this bag through security, I just left this on there. I just put the handle, down about bottle height, and I laid this down, sent it through security. And then when I was done, brought it back up. And of course the water bottle didn't have any water in it when it went through security. You don't want to do that. So same thing when we put the luggage in the car. I would just leave the bottle holder right on it and put the luggage in the car. So it worked out super well. That thing is probably one of the best travel accessories that I've ever purchased, and I'm super happy with it. So that'll definitely be going with me on every trip from now on. Alright, well that's it. I just wanted to kind of show you what worked, what didn't, and mostly everything worked. I didn't have anything that I did in here that I was like, oh, why did I do that? That didn't work. I overpacked. There was 2 shirts and a pair of shorts that I didn't wear, but that's okay because I had plenty of room for those items. This bag was perfect, fit underneath the seat in front of us. There was one flight, I can't remember if I was in the middle seat or in the aisle seat, but it was quite difficult to get this one under the seat in front of me. And I think he even put it in like the skinniest way. So like this was the way it was facing, so this was where my feet would have been. And it was like a really tight squeeze to get it in there. But it fit, no problem. This was a free personal item on all the flights, so everything worked out really well. Well, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for some additional videos that I have coming. I'm doing some additional personal item luggage reviews coming up, so check those out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get notifications of my new videos, and click that bell also to get notifications. Alright, thanks. Have a great day.